to be opening a Mimikyu pin collection, it says, from Sun and Moon. And so I'm going to read what's on the back first. Lovely little Mimikyu dresses up as Pikachu because it wants to make lots of new friends like you. With the Mimikyu pin collection, you get Mimikyu both has fun collector's pins and as totally disguised Foil Pro Road card. Take the crafty road to victory with Mimikyu. Hudson, don't do that.
Hudson.
Don't do anything. Let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it.
Stop. Stop. Here's the Mimikyu.
I want all to it. Don't leave your brother alone.
The Mimikyu card.
Are you going to put this on the card?
The Mimikyu pin. And you got one Fates Collide pack, and 2 Sun and Moon packs. I'm going to open the Fates Collide pack.
Yeah, let's get the instructions out. Which one do you got? Which one do you got?
You got Shackle,
No, just open one package at a time.
Chinchino, Kangaskhan,
Which one of these
Coughing.
cards
Spider-Man.
Spoink,
Spider-Man stuff and some
Diglett,
stuff.
Larvitar,
Wow, top.
Carbink, Seal, and Bronzong.
What's that? Where's Dad, Kelvin?
He's outside. Now onto the Sun and Moon pack.
You have a guy in there?
No.
Or you got a spider? Which one is this spider? That's this one, okay? Alright. See, there's a spider in there. Okay, do you have that piece? Or maybe you do have to open up both packages. Okay. Alright, well, maybe you
Oh,
do.
look at.
We got a Lowland Persian, Herdier,
Gotta-
Wishy-washy,
gotta put this stuff
Wishy-washy,
right there.
wishy-washy,
And then let's
Stuffle.
Put this stuff over here.
Marini, Jupiter,
Alright. So what do
Jupiter,
you need first? You need this one?
Bounsweet,
I needed the
Lilliput,
guide first.
Okay, now you gotta
Litten.
follow the instructions,
We
okay?
got the
And-
guys.
we got an energy
Follow the
and
instructions.
Tauros GX. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
now
want
you need a
the
brown one.
guy. I want the guy.
Hey, you need this guy next, right there. Put it in the middle. Just follow the instructions. I'm not gonna follow the instructions. I'm not
Wow.
gonna. Okay, Spider-Man right there.
Put it in
Okay, number 3. What's number 3?
Put those on there. These on there.
I just need this one. Yeah.
And you can do it on either side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, number 4. You gotta find the blue thing.
Okay.
Vegas
Check
furry.
this. Not yet. I think it's this one right here. Isn't it? Check this one. No, that's not it either. How about this one?
We got
I think it's that.
Pincer,
See, it looks like that.
Team Skull Grunt,
On the front.
Metapod,
No, on the other end where the things are smooth. There you
Wingle.
go. Good job.
Poplio,
Number 5. You need
Growlithe,
a blue one like this.
Robin, Grubbin,
Goes on top of
Zubat,
that.
Lily, and Water Energy and Primarina.
Oops, we missed that one. It goes right behind
Fortune.
the blue one. There you go.
Okay,
Nope,
so
forward.
we got
There you go.
one. These are the good cards of the pack.
Okay, now you put the steering wheel on.
Oh, the steering wheel.
Oh, here, but hurry.
Put it on here.
Oops, wait a
This
minute.
was
I
the
think we need-
best card of the pack.
Did you put that one on?
Yeah.
Hope you all
Oh, I
like
think we
this
missed something up, buddy.
video and bye.
Oh, we need to